Here is a recap of this week's momentum update. The first item we have on here is a custom type added to every single service request. This will allow you to really put a higher level of organization into every single service request that comes in. So if we go to any service request and we select add new, you will see, like we added stage before, we now have an open field for type. Whenever you type something in here, it will become available within your agency, which means in the next update, whenever we make this available via the pipelines, you will be able to select it and organize it within the pipelines via custom type. The next feature we've added is a copy to user configuration. This is extremely useful. So when the agency sets up defaults for the dashboard, label dictionary, global search, interactive reports, navigation palette, any of these current options, you can go into here and not only set the agency's default or set your own default, but as an admin, I can turn around and push my defaults to any of my users. So this is the copy to functionality. Now we could either apply it to all users and replace, meaning override their existing configs, or we can only apply it to them if they have the default configs. The next item we added an improved area for commercial umbrella. So if we go to insureds, and then we go to insured items, you will see commercial umbrella right here. We have a new and improved area for the insert, so the add new screen, the edit screen, and a details page. For agent charges, we've added in two new improvements. One of them being the ability to link agent charges directly to the commission statements. We've also added in the ability to do batch actions. So to find agent's charges, you could either go to the agent and then click into details, or like what was also included in this week's update, you can now go to other from the agency and you can see agent's charges for the whole agency. So any that may apply. From here, we could see when we're creating a brand new one, we can assign it to a statement. That means if agent charge is because of a statement, we can link it to it. And then from the batch or bulk actions, you can go ahead and select multiple and apply any of these actions. And from the agency details, the consolidated view, so that is just what I showed you, where you can see all agents charges no matter where you are. We added a data quality tool. It allows you to see which records have an invalid email format. To find this, go down to miscellaneous, go to tools, and it's with our other data quality tools. So it's right here, check for incorrect emails. You can see it, we can mark it, and we can go ahead and clean it up. We've added two new improvements to the policies and quotes list. So we added a column and filter for coverages, and we've added in a brand new column for agency fees. To see both of those, you'll go to policies or quotes. You'll want to turn it on within the configuration because it's off by default, but you could see agency fees right here. And right here, you can see coverages. If you do a lot of commercial lines, coverages is extremely useful because although the line of business may be commercial auto, maybe you want to see cargo, physical damage, those type of things. And that's what we'll show under coverages. Within agents details, we added a link to the global user log list. For those of you that have not seen it, the user logs, which can be found underneath the agent. So just go to the agent and then details and then user logs. This will show when someone logged in and where they logged in from. It'll show the IP address. We added an improvement to the overall display. We removed the cents from the totals generated. So right here, if you click totals, show totals right here, we used to have the cents. Now we only show the dollars, which leads to a much cleaner look. And then two new improvements to the interactive reports. For the agency commission statement-based reports, we've added in a new grid action, which is a shortcut and leads to more actions for each report. And then the last one is we've added in a brand new report called Agency Commissions Unearned. So if we go to interactive reports, and let's just look up unearned, this report will show the policy, it will show the premium, the agency commission, received agency commission, earned commission, and unearned commission. So you will see everything via one report. You can configure it to add optional items, generate totals. It is a great report. That was this week's Momentum Update. Thank you.